Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to pre-market report sponsored by Delta.exchange. US markets finally ended mixed with the Dow higher, S&P 500 and Nasdaq slightly lower. US market had two problems yesterday. The first, the bond yield has shot up like anything. The 30-year bond yield shot up nearly 5%, nearly to 5%. And then, it has come down later. But the Fed minutes that came later, so indicated, they are eager to slow down the, interest rate cut. So both were very negative, but despite that, market did not go down much. So US markets are resilient. Asian markets are mostly down. GIF Nifty indicating about 40-50 point gap down. That is expected because yesterday what happened in the last 1 hour, it was just purely a short covering rally, 200 points in last 1 hour. So 6 hours plus is what Indian markets trade. The first 5 hours, Nifty fell about 200 point. Then the last 1 hour, Nifty shot up 200 point. Yesterday, it was markets were still bearish only. If you look at the stock prices, it is only TCS, Infosys, and Reliance Industries. So these three stocks took the market higher, and otherwise, the broader markets, like mid cap, small cap, next 50, bank nifty, financial services. So everything was down actually. So the markets, still looking very bearish. It's just because, short covering in TCS ahead of its results. So now the big question, will there be further short covering in TCS? Possible, because it has fallen more than 10% in last 1 month. Now the even bigger question is, when will this HDFC Bank stop falling? In just last 4 trading sessions, HDFC Bank has fallen more than 100 rupees. 4 trading sessions, 100 rupees. 100 rupees is about 6%. So which means that it is falling at the rate of about 1.5% every day for the last 4 trading sessions. So I think suddenly after this quarterly business update, that stock is falling. So we need to see, when the investors will come back finding the valuation very, very attractive. Another thing is the Reliance. So although the report was good, but it has already gone up significantly. How much more, Reliance will move to? So keep watching for Reliance, HDFC Bank, and TCS for the Nifty. Of course, broader markets are in still trouble. We have to wait. If you look at the resistance, I think 23,800 will be the resistance. So many days I've been saying, 23,800 is a support, again resistance, again support, again resistance. It's going up and down from that level. But ultimate resistance is at 24,000. Now, what one question comes to people's mind? What happened last Thursday? There was no news, nothing. Market just started normally flat or positive, with a positive or negative bias. But then a huge short covering came, and Nifty shot up more than 500 points. Now, last Thursday, Nifty shot up 500 point. The entire 500 point was wiped out during the next 2 trading sessions. That is Friday and Monday. Then Tuesday and Wednesday, on a close to close basis, the Nifty was almost flat. One day it was up about 90 points. Next day it is about down by about 20 points. So one very big green candle followed by 2 red candle, completely wiping out the gains. Then after that, 2 days of consolidation. Now the question is that, will this consolidation continue, or another trending will happen just like last Thursday? The probability of trending happening today is very, very low. Of course, we cannot say anything because, the markets went and broke 23,500 once again yesterday. people would have sold call options, in huge quantities. In case if any significant move, so these call writers will have to run for cover. So that is how actually market shoots up last Thursday also. That probability is very, very low. So that's what we can say. Again, today US market is closed. So because of that, there will be no much global cues will be coming. So in all probability, it is 23,500 to 24,000 gain so far today. And then what is going to happen tomorrow? Probably, based on the TCS results, so things may, change from tomorrow. Markets are trading around 200-day exponential moving average. So it's going up, down. So it's trying to consolidate there. And as I told you, another story that 50-day moving average and 200-day moving average. So the gap was very, very wide. Now that gap is narrowing down. So once the gap narrows down completely, then market will move in one direction violently. But in what direction? That is a question. Probably the markets may react on the higher direction if there is no negative news. Of course, that's going to take some time. Probably the budget may be the trigger for that. So keep watching 23,800 on the higher side, and keep watching TCS, HDFC Bank and Reliance Industries for the index movement. Stock wise, there is nothing else much. So it's going to be sell and rise market only for the time being, because technically the markets are in short mode. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.